Stay strong. Stay strong. A lot of times we go through situations and circumstances in our lives, and it really takes us for a stroll. It takes a toll on us. And sometimes we look back at it and we get very angry and we get very upset over the things we went through, or some things that people put us through, and circumstances of how people treated us and stuff like that. And even from childhood to relationshiphood to friendshiphood to partnershiphood or what have you. And the things about it is that it can be very frustrating and angry. But I want you to understand that it's very important that you look at those things as things that are building you, things that are making you stronger. And if you can really realize that right in the middle of the process, that you're growing stronger from it, and it's actually building you right in front of it, that is very, very empowering to be able to switch the gear, to go from saying, you know what, this right here that I'm presently in is gonna make me strong for my next step in my next journey. Because literally what you're going through now and what you've been through prior has made you strong for your present, and this is making you strong for your future, for the next step. So literally just turn that anger or whatever you feel into motivation. Make that be the catalyst that motivates you, that pushes you, that drives you forward. Like, just dive deep into the thing that you want to do, the thing that you've been really harnessing on and precipitating on, and just, go after that thing real hard and turn that anger and frustration of what you've been through into your victory. Because it could be very challenging, but we know, that's why people say, if I wouldn't went through what I went through before, I wouldn't be the person I am today. So I can't love the person that I am today and hate the person I was yesterday. I just don't want to revisit that person yesterday and remain the person that I'm supposed to be in my present state and wherever it's going to be. So always understand that the battles and the trials and the tribulations that you've experienced and that you went through are building you for whatever that thing is until you touch earth. Because what don't kill you just make you stronger and make you healthier and go longer. I'm telling you, make you Teflon Don. That's why they say, they was like, all the things that came to eat you up, all the things that came to unseat you, to destroy you, to mess you up, it didn't happen. You overcame it. So now what happens is all the things that the local worm, the palmer worm, and the locusts have eaten away, restoration has come. That's why when that says, what God meant, what the devil meant for evil, I will turn it around for your good. What the devil meant for evil, I will turn it around for your good. What the devil meant for evil, I will turn it around for your good. So what that basically saying is that the things that you've experienced and that you went through and it didn't kill you, it's all gonna benefit you in your good. It's all gonna benefit you in the journey that you're on, and the place that you're gonna be, in the task that's in, that's waiting for you. You needed to go through that to be armed to deal with what you're about to go through. And you know what people say? They be happy. They be like, you know what? If I didn't have that experience of going through that and experiencing that, I wouldn't be prepared to go through what I'm going through right now. I wouldn't even know how to deal with it. I'm glad I went through that. But at the time, you didn't think it was a glad situation. You didn't think it was a happy situation. So what I'm saying to you now is that look at it from them lenses, whether you in it, whether you out of it, whether it happened before or whatever. Look at it from those lenses right now at this moment as such as that. And I'm telling you, I probably can guarantee you that you'll even come out of it quicker if you do that. Start to just look at, okay, let me prepare myself up. I'm going through this, but whatever is to come, I know it's greater. Whatever is to come, I can't wait. Whatever is to come, I'm gonna be prepared. Whatever is to come, I'm gonna be solid. Whatever is to come, I'm gonna be able to deal with it. Whatever is to come, I'm gonna be able to handle it. Yeah, just put yourself in that mind state and then believing it that it's going to come. Believing that it's going to happen. Believing I'm coming out of it. Believing I'm not going to continuously deal with this situation. Believing that this is not going to continuously be my present moment as we speak. That whatever is coming that's greater, that's later, I'm ready in the now for it.
That part.
In the now for it. I'm ready. I'm ready, Eddie, right now. And I'm going to show you how I'm ready, because I'm keeping it steady. I'm keeping it, my mind fixated on the goal now. I see the forest from the trees. I can see clearly now that the rain is gone. I can see that the sunshine is on the dawn of the day. I can see it. And now it's time for me to do what I do. So anyway, that's my empowerment message for the day. I'm your host, Universal, of the Way Out podcast. Please make sure that you like, you share, you subscribe. Make sure that you hit the notification to get the 365 motivation. Make sure you definitely donate. Go to my page and donate so we continue to create and keep this empowerment train moving along. Choo, choo. You can always go hit me up for motivational speaking, emceeing of events, and one-on-one life coaching. My dream is to fulfill your dreams. Peace.